Hi guys, Kat here. Tonight I'm making a recipe called Sooup Pucck in Lao. We call it Sooup Pucck. Basically, it's just blanched vegetable salad. Okay, so that's what I'm making tonight. You can use any vegetable that you like. Vegetables like mustard greens, spinach, Taiwanese spinach, cabbage, zucchini, green beans, string beans, broccoli, Chinese broccoli, anything that's your favorite, anything that's green and leafy will work that you can blanch. That will work for this recipe. I'm actually using a vegetable or a plant that is not found in stores, well, not that I know of, and I have no idea what the English name of this plant is. But they are edible if you ever find them or come across them. These are grown alongside riverbanks, so yeah, if you know what the English name for this plant is, please let me know. But we call this in Lao Pakat Na or Pakat Hong. Yeah, no, I have no idea what the English name is, but this plant tastes like a wild, sweet, earthy mustard green. So I'm not sure. They might be from the mustard green plant family. I don't know. But yeah, it's edible. And this is what I'm using. So basically what I did with this plant is I boiled some water and then I quickly blanched it for about 30 seconds or so. You don't want to overcook it. So yeah, just blanch it. And then you want to rinse it in cold water to stop it from cooking because you don't want it overcooked. Okay, so this is what I'm using. But like I said, you can use any of the vegetables that I mentioned. And this is what it looks like blanched. So blanched it, then I rinsed it in cold water to stop it from cooking. And then I squeeze out all the excess water that I can from the vegetable. Okay, so this is what I end up with. All right, so let's make a salad out of this. Make a salad. Get a bowl here. Okay, what I have here is some sliced ginger, thinly sliced ginger, some garlic, fresh garlic, chili peppers, fresh chili peppers. This is optional, bay shrimp, cooked bay shrimp, and white onions. White onion, or you can use shallots if you have shallots. It's great with it too. And this is galangal, freshly chopped galangal, thinly chopped. Okay, minced or whatever. All right, so let's get a knife here. I'm gonna cut the vegetables in half. Okay. Like that, okay? I'm eyeballing everything, so you might have to adjust your seasoning and stuff according to how much you're using. Okay, so this is how much I'm going to use for now. Toss in some onion, the galangal, ginger, garlic, chili peppers, and the bay shrimp. And for the seasoning, optional. Okay, guys, this is MSG. If you don't cook with MSG, you don't have to use it. About a teaspoon. Some dry chili flakes. Also about a teaspoon, depending how spicy you want it. And then this is the fermented fish sauce. This is what you will find in the store. If you don't have this, if you can't find this, then you can just use regular fish sauce. But keep in mind, this is more flavorful if you can find this, okay? I'm actually gonna use both. This is the Thai version, and this is my homemade version. So I'm gonna use both. A tablespoon of this, the homemade one. And a tablespoon of this one. Okay. And then I'm gonna use a bag to mix it up together. Just tossing it, kind of mixing all the ingredients. Okay, taste here. Very simple salad. Perfect. And lastly, what I'm going to add is optional. Some peanuts, crushed roasted peanuts, and some roasted sesame seed. And basically that's it. It's just a tossed blanched salad. Sooup Pucck. And voila. Ooh, my little doggy. Georgie! Excuse me, guys. Okay, so here it is. Sooup Pucck. It's good with just some steamed rice or sticky rice if you have it. Very simple, very easy, delicious blanched salad. Give it a try. Oops. See the lighting here. Too bright or not bright enough? Let's see. Anywho, let's try it. Just enough kick, crunchy, chewy, delicious vegetable salad. This really makes a difference. So if you have this, I recommend using this over plain fish sauce. Okay. But yeah, this is Sooup Pucck. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish eating this. Thanks for watching. I hope you will give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time. Bye.